I'm Jean McSweeney. I'm from the University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences, representing American Heart. I've been affiliated with American Heart probably for the last 15 years or so, and presently serve on the research committee. First of all, I want you to understand what kind of research American Heart funds, and it's everything from basic to biobehavioral. They'll fund from College of Public Health, they'll fund from nursing, they will fund from a variety of disciplines. This slide is very important for you to understand because each of us belong to an affiliate, and also you can apply at the national level. And grants are awarded at affiliate levels and at the national level. So that make sure that you are applying for the correct one. The affiliates have a little bit higher overall funding percentage rate than the national level because there's more competition at the national level. Most of us would be either in the Mid-Atlantic, Greater Southeast affiliate, and some of us are in the Southwest affiliate. So make sure you pay attention to which affiliate you would be affiliated with. These are the main, what we call the legacy programs. These are all of the grants that are available through American Heart, and I'm going to talk about each one of these very briefly because of the time frame. The first one is our predoctoral fellowship program, and it's to help students initiate careers in cardiovascular research. You get some really good mentoring associated with this, and people are available if you are in the PhD program, if you're in a BSN to PhD program, and also open to a variety of others, such as medical students. But you have to be a full-time student working towards your degree. It is offered by all 7 affiliates. You can have 1 to 2 years of stipend support, and you can see the amount of money that is offered per year. And we are currently working on this right now. We're trying to make this more equal across the affiliates, and so that's in progress. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but the funding amount will be changing. The next is the postdoctoral fellowship program, and it's obviously to help people who have once completed their PhD and to continue to get some mentoring support. And most affiliates offer this. The number of years is typically limited to a couple of years from the time of activation. These awards can also be transferred from one affiliate to the other. If you have a national award, obviously it goes with you, but the affiliates also can be transferred. It's 2 years of stipend support. It's comparable with NIH funding as far as the amount of the stipend, and it is offered by all of the affiliates. The next one is a popular one. It's a Mentored Clinical and Population Research Award, and this is primarily for early career investigators to have supportive mentoring, and we actually go back and look at these periodically to make sure that you are progressing and receiving the correct type of mentoring, and this is really to begin to build your career in cardiovascular research. It is a 2-year award. It's offered again by all 7 affiliates, and you can see the amount of the stipends range from $55,000 to $77,000 per year, depending upon the affiliate. But this is a very good program. The next one is Beginning Grant and Aid. This was one of the very first grants that I had that really launched my career as a cardiovascular researcher, and I would encourage you to really look at this if you are at a beginning level. One thing I do want to emphasize is that we are trying to get more nurses to apply for every single one of these grants that I'm talking about today, these grant opportunities. A lot of times we have very few nurses that apply, and so you have excellent chances of getting funded. So please consider American Heart when you're thinking about submitting proposals. The Beginning Grant and Aid is really your first grant that is an independent status, and it's for promising beginning scientists. And you can apply up to the rank of assistant professor or the equivalent. Beginning Grant and Aid is a 2-year award. You can see that it's offered by some of the affiliates, but by not all of them. Awards range from $66,000 to $77,000 per year. The next is a Scientist Development Grant, and this is to support very highly promising beginning scientists again in their progress towards independence. And this is to encourage people to continue with their funding. And this can also bridge the gap between completion of research training like a postdoc and readiness for successful completion as an independent investigator. So this is, again, a very desirable type of grant to consider. You can see most of the affiliates offer this, and it is obviously offered at the national level also, and you can see the amounts differ just a little bit by how much is offered per affiliate per year. The grant and aid is to encourage and adequately fund the most innovative and meritorious research projects, and this is again from independent investigators. It is offered by all 7 affiliates. It's a very popular mechanism. We get a lot of applications for this. The award amounts range from $66,000 to $77,000. They are 2-year awards primarily, although the Founders Affiliate offers it for a 3-year period. The Innovative Research Grant is a fairly new one for American Heart. It is similar to what we would see at NIH. It's to support very highly innovative, high-risk, high-reward research. And we anticipate that this will lead to really some critical discoveries and to really advance the field of cardiovascular research and really accelerate the discoveries. It's designed to be a very highly competitive program, and indeed it is. We're getting some very interesting applications in. It is a national program. It's a 2-year award. It's $75,000 per year. The next one is an Established Investigator Award. It supports mid-career investigators that have a lot of promise and have an established record of accomplishments. This means you have some good small grant awards, you've got some good publications, and that's how you would qualify for the Established Investigator Award. Candidates have demonstrated a commitment to cardiovascular or cerebral vascular research, as indicated by your publications and your previous grants. The candidate's career is expected to be in a rapid growth phase. The award may be held only one time, and it is a national program, and you see it is for 5 years, $500,000 over 5 years. So this is really to help an established investigator really move the research science to the next level. We also have some pilot programs. These are new and exciting, and we are phasing these in. We've had a couple of them now that are in their 2nd year. They're called the Mentor AHA Mentee Award. This is where we actually fund a mentor to help with mentees. In the past, we've always funded mentees and never given anything to a mentor. And now we believe that it takes a lot of time to be a really good mentor, and we have put some money behind this, and we are trying all of these. We're pilot testing these. We'll try these for 5 years to see how they work and to see what kind of results we get from these. We also have the strategically focused research networks. There's been one out on hypertension. We've got collaborative grants, the genome-phenome study, and then AHA Merit Awards. But where should you begin? This is just the website that would be best for you to look at, and it is, you can go to My American Heart, and you can find all kinds of descriptions there and useful information. Highly encourage you to go to American Heart. We need research grants. Thanks.